Hey, so I get a lot of questions on the pocket insulation. This was insulated before we put up the plywood, but this is our exterior wall here. It's insulated. The header is running along on the outside wall out here. It is a Tyvek house. We really prefer the zip system, the 10-inch stretch tape, so we use that and we wrap it around the corner. We actually use the stretch tape as a shim as well, so we've got some shims over there. And we've ended up sanding this entire section over here, and we needed to use the stretch tape. Try to get the sills within a 32nd of an inch across their entire opening. I think the door manufacturers require 1/8 of an inch, but we like 1/32 of an inch. So then once we have the stretch tape wrapped around the corners, we put the sub seal on top of that. And I think we're gonna do a time lapse of that. But then this is a big covered porch. It was actually thunderstorming before we got here, and still raining when we got here, and rain had just come in maybe about a foot onto the concrete. So really no concern with water here. So we're not doing one of our big custom metal pans here, but we're gonna fully flash it. We're gonna tape up the jams on both sides. As you can see, we've already put the 10-inch stretch down. We're gonna put the sub seal on top of that, and we're gonna caulk completely under the door sill. So no concerns for water, but just going through the exterior wall, header, insulation is behind the black plywood, and then the door will go here.